Hi everyone, this is Omer Osman, the cognitive consultant. I help people manage their weight, reduce their anxiety, and improve their performance. And this is the third video and the final video in a three-part series about lasting health. And today we're going to talk about sleep. Now, sleep, I believe, is important no matter what your goals are in life, no matter what you're doing, what you're trying to achieve. Sleep is going to be important. Sleep is going to help you remain alert in the daytime. Sleep, proper sleep helps you recover from illnesses and injuries quickly. Proper sleep helps you fight stress. It helps you build strength when you're exercising. Overall, it helps you in every area of your life. It just makes everything better. And I believe that there are at least three things that you can do today, immediately, that will help your sleep. Now, first of all, is to have a consistent time to go to sleep. Now, what happens is usually all of us have a time to get up in the morning because we have to go to work, but we tend to sleep whenever we want. We tend to go to sleep whenever we fall asleep. Having a proper sleep schedule where we have a proper time to go to sleep and a proper time to get up, both will help us get optimum sleep or have a sleep schedule so we are not sleep deprived in the day, and that sleep deprivation does not keep on accumulating, which usually happens to a lot of people. Number two is to lower the temperature of where you go to sleep. Cool, a cool environment is more conducive to deep sleep than a warmer one. Research has shown that. So if you're in an area which is hot and humid, you might go to sleep, but your sleep will not be as deep as it would be if you are cold. In fact, our body temperatures fall themselves naturally when we're asleep. And having a cool environment to go to sleep in will just make our sleep much more deeper. And we all need deep sleep, REM sleep, to actually recover from the day's work. And number three is to have a meditation, self hypnosis, relaxation schedule. Not a schedule, a routine. So we if we have some point in the day where we can just relax and chill through hypnosis, through meditation, whatever your thing is, we can forget the stresses of the day, of our work, of our routine, and relax and calm down. This is especially effective if you're doing it close to your sleeping time, and the success rate with that is very, very high. But you can do it throughout the day as well, and you will see changes and improvement. It's just a matter of finding a time, a schedule, where you get a routine, where you can relax yourself, your mind and body, every single day. So, those were the three things: meditate, have a sleep schedule, and sleep in a cool environment. That can immediately help you get better sleep and therefore help you achieve whatever you're trying to achieve. All right, so that's enough for me today. This was Umer Usman, the cognitive consultant, and I'll see you next time.